Welcome to Creative Direction. My name's Anthony, and today I want to ask you a question. How well are you leveraging video email marketing? Sales emails are filling up inboxes more than ever. Your ideal clients are getting savvy and learning how to ignore you with things like spam filters and email automation. Some marketers are getting desperate and hiring sales copywriters to write their emails for them. So how do you compete in this war for attention? Simple. Video email marketing. Want to cash in on those open rates? In this video, I'm going to go through a new type of video email marketing strategy and show you how you can boost those open rates and fill up your sales funnel. Let's do this. Here's an interesting statistic that most email marketers don't consider. Only 7% of communication is received verbally, for example, text in emails. 55% of communication is body language, and 38% is vocal. In your regular old school emails, there is no body language and no vocals, just text. In video, however, you're using all three modalities of communication. This is what makes video so powerful. You literally have a 93% boost in communication. That's like going from black and white TV to color. Because video is such a powerful communication tool, it becomes such a powerful marketing tool. So you really want to start to look at how you can leverage video in your emails and outdo the competition. The main thing you need to consider is you need to have a strong camera presence. So you've got to learn to overcome camera shyness. Without a doubt, your headline is the most important part of your email. So when you have subject lines such as sale, new, or video, people are much more likely to open it. The reason it is, especially with video, is because people would way much rather watch a video than read a whole bunch of text. According to HubSpot, 54% of consumers want to see more video in the emails that they read. Here's some examples of some headlines that you can use. Check out this video on how to avoid getting hacked. 3 steps to a better roof, video included. Video interview with the marketing director of so-and-so company. How to get more open rates in your email marketing, video. So here's the thing. If you use video in your email, you can rightfully use video in your headline. And that is way more interesting to people than boring text in your newsletters. So where do you start with all this? We recommend a few templates of your typical emails that you would send to clients and turning those into video. Here's a couple of examples. Thank you for signing up, video email. Thank you for contacting us, video. Setting up a free consultation, video. We're so excited to work with you, video. And of course, video newsletter emails. Another great idea is a video course lead magnet. See, ebooks are getting really outdated and people just aren't checking them out as much, but a video course lead magnet is a powerful strategy for getting people into the swing of opening your emails. I hope by now you're starting to get a good sense of how to use video in your email marketing. Remember, videos in your emails and the word video in your headline is definitely going to boost your open rates. Thanks for watching. My name's Anthony, and I'll see you next time.